Excellent expiry. So 2nd of August was an excellent expiry. So why am I saying that? Because option gave us an opportunity to make some good money on expiry. So if you are a trader or if you are an armature, let me tell you, there are people who do straddles or strangles or some other strategy just one day before expiry. They do a expiry day trade. So what we did is, yesterday we did a short straddle at in Bank Nifty, and of course that was a very risky trade. I took some 10 lots of sold 10 lots, I think 5 lots of Bank Nifty yesterday afternoon, second part of yesterday's trading session, and that has paid off. So we will talk about that in the second part of the trading session. So let us see what is happening in the market. Hello traders, this is Umar with you and welcome to this YouTube video. So as you may know, markets are really super bullish. In the last 3 or 4 months, if you see June and July, only 2 months there was a consolidation. If you see the monthly chart, which I am going to show you in this video, June and July was a kind of doji pattern formed in the monthly scale, monthly chart, monthly time frame. So there were good so that 2 months, June, July was 2 months where people made good amount of money because market was not moving, right? So it was forming, it was going up, it was coming down, then there was a good support at 15,900. Even we were talking too much about 15,900. So we thought 15,900 will not be breached. So a lot of things happened at 15,900. June and July, it was a kind of consolidation. So that 2 months was a good month for option seller. Apart from that, if you see the August month, Nifty alone has moved more than 1,350 points, I think, or 8.5% move in Nifty alone. So Nifty moving in such a scale is really a bull run, right? So people were telling in social media, every big guys were telling that Nifty is in a bull run, and what we did so many reversal. We took a bearish mode and we shorted the market and we felt the pain, right? So not I would say I took a bearish perspective. Then what happened, So in spite of all this, Nifty moving around 1,300 points. See, when do a option seller make money? You tell me. Option sellers make money when the market is not moving. June you made money, July you made money. What about August? August market moved 1,300 points. I am talking about Nifty. Nifty is moving 1,300 points. When Nifty is moving 1,300 points, as an option seller, there is no way you have to make money. Of course, you will make money because you will make money when the market, if you are taking a if you are taking a directional trade. Say for example, market is bullish, you are selling a naked put, then you will make money. Now, what as an option seller, most of the option sellers, they do what? They do a short straddle, they do a short strangle. If they don't want to take a risk, they do a iron fly or they do a iron counter. They do these kind of strategies. Market moving 1,300 points, how do you make money? That is what has happened last month. Many traders haven't made any big money in the last month, and I'm not saying all. Some smart traders are also there who have made money, who have taken directional trades, and they have made money also. So this is the kind of market we are trading in, and let me show you. This is the chart of this is the chart of Nifty, and look at this trend. In May month, it has moved more than 6.5%. August, in the last 6 months, if you see, August was the best performing month. August alone, Nifty has moved more than 1,350 points or 8.69%. The previous highest move was on month of November, when Nifty has moved 1,326 points. So that is a big run. Now what I am seeing is, I am seeing 18,000. Maybe I am seeing 17,500 or 18,000. Now as an option seller, what you have to do? What I would suggest is you don't take any non-directional strategies like straddle or strangle. Do a credit spread. Do a credit spread on the downside. Sell puts or naked puts, but of course there's a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. I'm telling you, selling naked call options or put option is very much risky. So you will have to know what is the consequences if thing goes wrong, and you will have to know how to make adjustment if things go wrong. So I'm cautioning you, don't do naked calls or naked put option. Try to hedge your position, do some hedging, so that in case anything happens, anything goes wrong, you can save your capital. You can save a naked call option, but at least try to buy 500 or 600 or 700 or even 1000 points away some call options or put option as a hedge, so that in case anything happens, you are protected. So you will not have to worry what is going to happen. If there is any big gap up tomorrow, then you don't have to worry. So that is how things are happening here, and see, markets are really in a bullish mode and they are moving on the upside only day on day. There is, it seems, sky is the only limit. So markets are moving, there is no tomorrow. See, what is going to happen, I don't know. But I think there should be a correction now. If there is, see, markets are cyclicals, right? It cannot be traveling on one direction. It has to do a consolidation, or it has to be having a correction. Then only it is a healthy market. So that is what I feel. And if you see this open interest chart, this is a monthly chart. 17,000 is having a good amount of put rating, and 17,500 is having a good amount of calls. So we can assume for this month 17,000 is not going to be broken. And the bank nifty is completely different story. It tells a different story. People are writing 36,500 call option, 37,000. So all the way till 38,000 people are writing calls in bank nifty. From 36,500 till 38,000 there is good amount of call writing in bank nifty. I think people are expecting the bank nifty to not perform, and they might be thinking it is likely to come on the downside. So that is why they may be writing these things. And this is the trade which we did yesterday. I did a 36,700 straddle, this both thing. And today morning I started to panic, so I thought we'll do some hedge, and I need some margin. I needed some margin also, so I had to buy 36,300 and 37,100 call and put respectively. So the total profit here today which we made is around 9,000, I think 22,000 plus. So that was a good trade, and market doesn't usually give this kind of opportunity. So this expiry market has given a good opportunity for us to make this trade. So whatever we did, we are happy, and this month seems to be really good. So far so good, going good in a good way. So let's see how things pan out. So my stance is I am bullish. I am not super bullish. I am bullish, and I am not taking any neutral position. So the way markets are moving, as I told you, see August how much it has moved. The way the markets are moving, it is not a wise decision to do a non-neutral strategy. So always take a directional strategy. As an option seller, take a directional strategy and know what you are doing. In case if anything goes wrong, you will need to know how to manage these positions. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.